Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Jagdeep Singh. So today we will cover in this video value analysis, value engineering, and ergonomics. So without wasting time, just start with the value analysis. So what is value analysis? So value analysis is a specific aspect of value engineering that concentrates on improving the value of existing products, services, or processes. It involves a detailed examination of the components, materials, and processes used in a product or project to identify opportunities for cost reduction, performance improvement, or quality enhancement. It can eliminate non-value adding activities or functions of like costs in a product, process, or services, etc. Normally, it is associated with manufacturing or product-based industries. However, its principles can be applied to the service industries as well. Value analysis steps. So first step is information gathering. So collect data on product, process, or service under evaluation. Second step is function and analysis. Identify the primary functions and determine their importance. The third step is creative idea generation. Generate alternative ways to fulfill the functions at a reduced cost. Fourth step is evaluation and selection. So assess and select the most viable cost saving alternatives. And fifth point is development and implementation. So implement the chosen alternatives and monitor their impact on the value and cost. So example, you can see here the simple pencil one it has given. So eraser is there in that, wooden case is there, metal band is there, paint is there, graphite is there. So this is the simple example of value analysis, right? So different values are there. So we need to check whether this metal band is required or not, whether we can use maybe plastic band or maybe graphite, maybe material we can check which uh, maybe different material that may reduce cost. So that we need to understand, and we need to see the performance also after the changes. This should not happen that we have made some corrections or reduce some cost, but customers don't like it. Then again, it will be in trouble, right? So that we need to understand. Now, next topic is value engineering. So we need to understand what is value engineering. So value engineering is a structured, systematic, and organized approach that focuses on achieving the essential functions of product or project at the lowest total cost without sacrificing quality, performance, or reliability. It involves a multidisciplinary team working together to analyze the functions of a product or process and explore alternative designs or methods to achieve the desired functions more efficiently. What are the steps involved in value engineering process? So first step is gathering information, analyze cost and functional requirements. Second is think creatively. So identify concepts and potential remedies. Third is evaluate ideas. So examine concept for future development. Fourth step is analyze and develop. Analyze the idea for the viability. We need to understand whether that idea will be viable or not. So we need to understand and check. Then fifth is present discoveries or researches, whatever we have got, right? So share concepts with stakeholders. So let stakeholders react on that, and based on the brainstorming from every stakeholder, then we need to move ahead. Then if we get the go ahead for something or with the any changes, so we need to go ahead and implement the changes, put the chosen strategy into the Excel. So this is our now we need to compare what is value analysis and value engineering. So comparison point meaning, so value analysis involves examining the function of the product or service to determine the variations or modification can reduce cost while maintaining performance. It is applied to existing products. Value engineering, it focuses on improving the value of product or service through creative or innovative solutions, often involved redesigning or configuring components to achieve cost savings and enhanced functionality. It is applied before the products get approved. Nature of process. Value analysis is remedial or corrective process, and value engineering is preventive of precautionary process. When can be applied? So value analysis after the product is introduced, and value engineering at the design stage. Objective to get better optimized commercial output in value analysis, and value engineering to obtain better engineering results. Workout, so value under value analysis with the help of knowledge and experience, and value engineering with the help of specific technical knowledge. Ensures what it ensures, value analysis ensures elimination of unnecessary costs, and value engineering ensures prevention of unnecessary costs. And what changes? So value analysis may change the existing stage of product or procedure or operation. And what about value engineering? So value engineering changes made by value engineering are implemented at initial stages only. So this is the difference between value analysis and value engineering. Now, the third topic is ergonomics. So ergonomics is the scientific discipline that aims to optimize the interactions between humans and their environment while taking into consideration human capabilities and limitations. It encompasses the study of how individuals interact with various elements of the system, including equipment, tools, tasks, and environment, with the primary goal of enhancing efficiency, safety, comfort, and overall well-being. Ergonomics draws from various fields such as engineering, psychology, physiology, and biomechanics to design and evaluate systems that support human performance and health. There are different kind of synapse examples you can see. Left side, you can see the posture of sitting at chair in the office in front of computer. Second, right or wrong, it is shown by pulling weight, right? So you can see what is the right method to lift the weight. Third is also the same proper lifting techniques you can see. Workstation too high. You can see in left, extreme left below corner, the workstation is too high. And second snap, you can see workstation is too low. And third, in green color, you can see this perfect one. So this is how that we need to understand in ergonomics. Now, the history of ergonomics. So you can see here left side in ergonomics, there are 4 components like engineering, psychology, physiology, and design. Or here we have discussed like biomechanics. So that is basically design component. Now, the history of ergonomics can be traced back to ancient times when early civilizations such as Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans designed tools, furniture, and structures that prioritized human comfort and efficiency. However, the formal field of ergonomics as a scientific discipline emerged during World War II, when the need to optimize human-machine interactions and minimize soldier fatigue, tiredness basically because paramount became paramount. The term ergonomics itself was coined in 1949, derived from the Greek words ergon means work and nomoi means natural laws. This interdisciplinary field draws from various disciplines, including engineering, psychology, physiology, and design, to study the interactions between humans and their environments, with aim of improving well-being and performance. Today, ergonomics is applied across diverse domains, including workplace design, product design, transportation, and healthcare to enhance human safety, comfort, and productivity. Now, ergonomics aspects. So, physical ergonomics, cognitive ergonomics, and organizational ergonomics. So, what is physical ergonomics? Physical ergonomics focuses on the interaction between individuals and their physical work environments. This includes the design of workstation tools and equipment to facilitate comfortable and efficient working postures. For example, adjustable chairs in office settings are designed to accommodate individuals of varying heights and body types, reducing the risk of muscle skeletal disorders or muscle pains. Cognitive ergonomics addresses mental processes such as perception, memory, reasoning, and decision making in relation to human system interactions. It aims to optimize the design of interfaces, displays, and tasks to support cognitive capabilities and minimize the risk of errors. User-friendly interface in software applications are a common example of cognitive ergonomics, as they are designed to minimize cognitive load and facilitate efficient information processing. Third is organizational ergonomics. Organizational ergonomics focuses on optimizing work structures, processes, and policies to enhance productivity, job satisfaction, and overall well-being. This includes areas such as workload management, it is shift scheduling and teamwork. For instance, implementing clear communication channels and feedback mechanisms within a team aligns with the principles of organizational economics, promoting a supportive work environment and effective information exchange. So ergonomics examples, you can see we already discussed few examples. Now again, we can discuss in the manufacturing industry, ergonomics principles are applied to design assembly lines and workstations that minimize physical strain and fatigue, leading to higher productivity and reduce risk of work-related injuries. In healthcare settings, ergonomics considerations influence the design of patient lifting and transfer aids to reduce the risk of musculoskeletal or muscle injury or pain among healthcare professionals. Automotive manufacturers apply ergonomics to design vehicle interiors, ensuring that controls, displays, and seating configuration support driver comfort and safety, thereby reducing fatigue and distractions. So this is how this is all about ergonomics. Sorry. So in next video, we can discuss some other topic. Till then, stay tuned for new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.